Everybody, it's Sandy here with Dinner Reviews, and if you're looking for your next ultimate outdoor game that challenges the family, then you have to see this Doogee Bee Sling Ball. This is going to be 2 balls, right, and 2 like paddle slash launcher slash catchers. And what we're going to do is you're going to get 2 balls that have these rubber bands in a sense, and you're going to be able to clip it here, and there's a piece there, and you're going to be able to pull this back and then launch it, right? So I even show you here, just launch it to the wall. Right? And then the other person's going to try to catch it in their net. Super easy to use. There's no assembly required. So this is going to be great for your next outdoor adventure, whether it be at a picnic, right? Or the park, the beach. These float. So you don't have to worry about these not getting wet. So they are float. They are able to float. And so great for the beach, right? You don't have to worry about these. These balls can float, which is nice. So you won't lose them. And again, the cork construction here, making it nice and easy to fling those balls. You can challenge each other, challenge your family, see how far you can shoot it and see if the other person can catch it. Countless hours of fun, whether you're a young one or an elderly person, you're going to love this game. It's going to be fun to bring to your next picnic. Definitely recommend checking this out. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review. But this will be fun. Get everyone active outside when the spring's here, summer's here. This is just a fun little new game for you all to play outside.